Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
Hey guys, welcome back to week 24 of my Zepbound journey. If you've been following along since the beginning, you know we kicked this thing off on February 24th of this year, and I was tipping the scale at 270.2 pounds. Yep, 270.2. I remember that number like my social security number, okay? It's burned into my brain to never forget because I never want to go back there. So this week, your girl is weighing in at 208.8 pounds. It is week 24, which is bringing me up on my 6-month mark, which means, drum roll, I gained 2 pounds. Well, technically 1.6, but who's counting? Oh, me. So almost 2 pound gain this week. 1.6. Let's like keep it 1.6. And before anybody says, oh no, no. I'm not panicking. As you guys know, we've been here many times before over the past 6 months. And this is just how the weight loss game works. And my body does this every couple of weeks. Sometimes your body's like, yeah, I know you've been eating good and moving more and doing all the right things, but I just decided to hold on to some things this week. And it's just how it goes. And it's okay. And speaking of moving more, I've been stepping it up, literally. My daily steps are higher than they've ever been before. My pedometer app is probably thinking, girl, where are you going? Because it's not used to counting so many steps. I'm getting in more movement than I have since, I don't know, Blockbuster was in business. That was a long time ago. So who knows? Maybe it's the muscle gain, maybe it's water. Either way, I'm not mad at it. I was really trite this week, you guys. Every single thing was irritating me. And for the first time in a long time, I thought about a glass of wine. As you guys know, I haven't had any alcohol since I started this journey back in February. So that's 6 months without alcohol, and you guys know that I am a firm believer in cocktail hour. So along with the battling this food addiction, I also battle with not drinking. I had to talk myself off the ledge the other day. Thank goodness I was able to do so, but I was teetering, you guys. I was teetering. I almost did it. I did recognize the pattern though. Having a bad day or being frustrated, being angry or irritated, whatever the case, the first thing I would do, stop at the liquor store on my way home. That was a pattern that I had created over the years. I realized though that I used being angry or whatever emotion as an excuse to continue what I was doing, because the truth of the matter is I liked it. So it was really hard not getting back into that pattern this week. But I recognized it and I'm working on it, and that's all I can ask of myself. One incident at a time. So as far as my medication goes, I am due for my next re-up of Zepbound 10 milligram. Probably going to arrive tomorrow. I'll be sitting in the window like a kid watching for the ice cream truck, except it's not a popsicle, it's my little magic shot. It's like, have I traded in my food addiction for the Zepbound shot? Maybe. Should I be concerned? Because I love to get a re-up. But either way, I'm excited about it. I always feel at peace when I know I have another month's supply of Zepbound, you know, securely tucked away in the fridge. It makes me calm. So that's week 4's update, you guys, and up a little in weight, but up even more in movement, energy, and my overall progress. Remember, the scale is just one tool. The real journey is all these little wins we stack along the way. All right, guys, tell me in the comments, have you ever had a week where you were tried and almost fell off the wagon, whether it be with food or anything else? Let us know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in week 25. Thanks, you guys, for watching. Please don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
So I think I've been seeing more and more questions about, in my comments about like weight loss during the week. So do you have weeks, these are what they're asking, do you have weeks where you don't lose anything at all? The answer is yes. Do you have weeks where you just gain? The answer is yes. Do you have weeks where you lose some and then gain some? The answer to that is yes. And then the next one, do you have weeks where you just lose weight? Yes. It's so subjective for everyone though. Like it's a very broad thing to talk about. The most I can say is everybody is different. Everybody is different, okay? So everyone's going to react to the GLP-1 differently. Everyone's going to be doing probably a different amount of exercise. Everyone's eating habits are going to be different. So for anyone who's wondering if it's okay to stall out, or like if you're the only one going through this, trust me, you're not, okay? Not saying you're not special, but you're not the only one who's having these questions, having these concerns, having these discouraging weeks where you're not losing anything at all, or weeks where you'll lose some and then you'll just gain it back. It happens, guys. This week I was down. I was so excited to tell you guys. I got down to 202 2 days ago, and then this morning I weighed in at 207. I was like, what the fuck happened? I was just at 205 and I went down to 202 and now I'm at 207. Our bodies fluctuate like plus or minus 5 pounds, pretty regular.
Pretty, 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 baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females measure just to trick me, 'cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is kept tight is 'cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only gone for the sake of our signs, because I want you to like it. The only reason I can